Like I had to get to know somebody before I agreed to a date.
Cameraman,
Big Daddy,
DJ
big dudes. You might be a seeing Big Daddy.
Perfect.
Yes, Massa! Yes, Massa!
OGP! Hey, OGP! Hey, OGP! Hey, OGP! Hey, it's OGP! In the studio, we pushing P!
What's good, YouTube? It's boy Wife, and I'm back with another video. Yes, sir. As you can read from the title, man, we doing 48 hours in ATL. As you can see, we spot with that. Atlanta. You know what I'm saying? So look, we about to go hit the Lenox Mall right now. We gonna vlog a little bit, probably do some public interviews and stuff like that. So make sure I like, comment, subscribe, man. Road to 1K. Let's get up. You know what I'm saying? Look, let's take it inside. Let's go, let's go. Oh, that right hand. What's that?
Bamba clad. Bamba clad.
So yeah, we was basically here yesterday. I just can't say pizza and everything that I already left about the place. You know what I mean? So yesterday, we never really vlogged because just too much things would have gone. So today we gonna vlog, we gonna hit the mall. Yeah, forward.
Let's see how I say, man.
Let's mind them, dog. Let's do it wide open.
No, I was training, you know that way there?
Boy, that iron shirt.
They're fresh and clean.
Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. Where iron there? Where iron there?
Right there, so
Yeah, every month I get ready right now for the Jamal and thing. And then show the camera, man. See, oh, gosh. Father.
I just sniff a lie. Rich alive.
But yeah, you know, and see Pree, so make sure to like, comment, my one thing straight to my head.
It's straight, bad man, I want you.
Brother, if you think like this.
Enough gun.
Like, comment, subscribe, you see me? But yeah, man, we just pulled up on my dog Narrow TMA, you know what I'm saying? Checking out the drip.
Yeah, you already know what's going on with the Narrow going on. I kind of packed up the drip, so I got to kind of unpack it. Let me see what's going on.
I mean, shit, you don't gotta unpack, but you let me see. Let's see what's up. Something real, you know what I'm saying? Check the drip out. That's one right check. Already got him right there.
This is a
Boy, the Nero wax, man. Who wants you to tell if you had? They waxed me last time, you know.
he talking about somebody watching me last
And
night.
get what, bro?
I showed him.
I ain't even rock the hat.
I know.
I support,
Single mothers?
yes, nigga.
That's the only thing
You got one more of them hoes.
I told you. When you say exclusive,
Which one? That one there?
I'm going to give you that we
That one
ain't
there?
going to have no more. See, she ain't capping. A lot of that big guy right now is in capping. I think the capping is so bad.
Alright, that one.
Me say black one, cut the pants.
Yeah, the man, no man, I link up, man. I just sit down, bro.
Got you at the light.
My price is going up.
Rich alive.
That bitch going every
Father Dippo. Father.
Father Depot,
Father,
fully.
you catch it at a line?
Outside alive.
Rich alive.
Bumbo class.
The man mash up man.
You hear what the Nero say?
That is true.
You hear what the Nero say?
Bro, price going every Sunday. It don't miss. It don't miss.
Alright.
It don't miss.
There was something that
Yeah, two guys on follow with you.
I'll just show you everything we got, though. That's it.
Yeah, follow with you.
I'm gonna cut one off you.
Well, we got shirts, hoodies, and all that shit, but I didn't mean
Make sure and like, comment, subscribe. I look on the camera when I reach a Lenox Mall. Probably buy some drip.
And get some hair. And get some hair.
Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Yo, where is it?
Drake coming up hard last time. We conceal and we're doing it safe.
Got the apps on the outside. Right, Pree. Boy DJ in a front seat. Ready? Alright, it's your boy White Pree, now back with. What's your name?
My name's Tatiana.
Tatiana, how you doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. So I see you shopping. I'm not gonna take too much of your time, you know what I'm saying? I just wanna ask a few questions. How old are you?
I'm 25.
25, good, alright. So look, the first question of the day, out of us three, it's supposed to be more people, but they somewhere else. But out of us three right here, who would you take home tonight?
Take home? Nobody?
If you had to make
If you had to make a choice.
Nobody?
Damn, what you trying to say? We ain't your type or something?
I just wouldn't.
None of us your type? That's what you're trying to say?
It's not like y'all particularly. I just not like that. Like I'm not about to take some random person home.
Well,
I mean, but
who
you
would
know, like
take you on a date.
Right, and get to know you
that's
some
a better
more.
question. That's a better question. I mean, I really don't know you guys. I feel like I had to get to know somebody before I agreed to a date.
Alright, so look. Rate all of us from 1 to 10.
Dang, that's like just off of looks though.
Right.
You want me to be shallow?
Yeah, go ahead. So that's gonna determine who you gonna take home. We gonna see.
Dang, I feel bad doing that.
Go ahead, don't feel bad. You gotta do that.
Okay, from 1 to 10. Let me start with you. I'll say you're like 7.
7.
Okay, this guy.
Cameraman.
And
DJ Danger in the cut.
I feel you're also a 7. Y'all are the same.
Okay.
Alright, 2 7s. Damn, what about me? You making me laugh. Everybody at 7? Hold on.
I think you're also a 7.
Come on, nah, you can't get all. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can't get all of us a 7.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
It's boy White Pree, and I'm back with
Nisha.
Nisha, and we got
Katie.
Katie. Know what I'm saying, how y'all doing today?
I'm good, and you?
I'm alright.
I'm good.
Good. Alright, so look, first question of the day, you know what I'm saying? We got 3 fine young gentlemen right here. Can you give all of us a rate?
Like 1 to 10, what you think?
1 to 10.
You 8.
I'm an 8. Alright.
You 8.
8.
Yeah.
Cameraman.
Big Daddy.
DJ Danger.
Big dudes. You might be a 10, Big Daddy.
Talk to him.
Alright, she like, hold on, DJ Danger. What about you?
You about a 5.
Okay.
About a 5. You got like a 7.
Alright, okay. She like chocolate tall. Alright. So look, the real question though, you know what I'm saying? Out of all of us right here, who would y'all take home for the night?
If I had to take somebody home.
If you had to take somebody home, you know what
I'm going to go with you.
I mean? Me? We going up, bye. Your name?
Shay.
And your name?
Taylor.
How y'all doing today?
Good.
Good? I'm alright. So what y'all here shopping? Y'all just came to have fun? Alright. So, you know, there's a few fine young gentlemen around y'all. I just want y'all to give us a rate real quick.
Who?
All of us. All 3 of us.
Like 1 out of 10.
I say like 7.5, 8.
About him.
Same. And then like
Cameraman.
8.
8.
Yeah.
What about you?
Yeah, I'm going to give you like
12 trying to shut us down.
a
12
7.
12 shutting us down.
give you a 6 because you're small.
Okay.
Alright. What's good, man? As y'all can see, man, look, we were doing a video yesterday at the mall, you know what I'm saying? We got shut down, you know what I'm saying? Police had to stop the motion, but look, after that, we went to Rum Punch. It was a party. That shit was deep. It was packed, so I couldn't really record like that, and then we went to Bonfire after, and it was a vibe, you know what I mean? But look, right now, though, we finna go to North Carolina, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Back in Georgia, last night we got kicked out. of Atkins University. Shout out y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Road to 1K, you know what I mean? We going up, man. Make sure. Yeah, we going up.
Ah, blue. How that danger? Yeah, boy, watch the road, you know. Watch the road, that's what I tell you. Watch the blood.
Yeah, so we out here in the cotton field, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I feel like a motherfucker.
A real cotton. Real. Watch it. Oh, this.
Yeah, bro.
Live, brother.
No, that's what happened, bro. Yes, master! Yes, master! You gonna have. Damn, these are real cotton, man.
So you think got your feet cotton?
I'm out here with these country boy picking cotton and shit. Then they gonna come out here on a whip and shit.
Start running the fuck. Hey, you ever see no man, a real cotton this, you know?
Yeah, but real.
So you think a fake cotton, not to tell me?
Never know cotton grow up on tree, bro.
What do you think? Where do you think it go from?
I don't know.
Oh, just say a fuck.
Watch out, fuck, brother. Let's move her over yourself.
Oh, your dog, snap the photo of them.
Picture them there.
It's a 62 pickup truck pull up.
Brother, yeah, that me I say, brother. Make me move her.
No, like, I need to shut a piece.
No, brother.
I need to shut a piece, dog.
What you not do, man?
Sit there.
I need to shut a piece, brother.
Zoom in the dog.
Yo, Wallace. I need to shut. Oh, the bomb,
You have to come closer then.
Man, urban, shut the picture on, brother.
That me I do, man.
We're out here in the cotton fields. People are drive by. Trucks on these things.
Jump one.